Let me take you on a journey to one of Turkey's most spectacular resort destinations. Liberty Lykia stands as a crown jewel along the stunning Ölüdeniz coastline, where the Mediterranean meets dramatic mountain landscapes in what can only be described as nature's masterpiece. This five-star resort has been welcoming guests from around the world, offering an experience that perfectly balances luxury with the warm Turkish hospitality that the region is famous for. Nestled in Fethi, this property sits in one of the most photographed locations in Turkey, where the famous Blue Lagoon creates a natural wonder that has captivated travelers for decades. The resort itself is part of the respected Liberty Hotels chain, known throughout Turkey for maintaining high standards of service and creating memorable experiences for their guests. What makes this location truly special is how it manages to feel both secluded and accessible, offering guests a chance to disconnect from the world while still being close to fascinating cultural attractions and natural wonders. When it comes to accommodations, Liberty Lykia offers an impressive range of options that cater to every type of traveler. The standard rooms, spanning approximately 30 to 40 square meters, are thoughtfully designed with modern amenities and comfortable furnishings that reflect both contemporary style and traditional Turkish elements. Each standard room comes equipped with air conditioning, satellite television, a well-stocked minibar, and a personal safe for valuables. What really sets these rooms apart is the attention to detail in the design and the quality of the amenities provided. The family rooms are significantly larger, designed specifically with families in mind, offering additional space and configurations that make traveling with children much more comfortable and enjoyable. These rooms often include separate sleeping areas and additional bathroom facilities, making them perfect for families who want to stay together while still having some privacy. The suites represent the pinnacle of luxury at the resort, featuring separate living areas, premium furnishings, and enhanced amenities that create a truly indulgent experience. Most rooms feature private balconies or terraces that offer stunning views of either the Mediterranean Sea, the lush hotel gardens, or the dramatic mountain landscapes that surround the property. The in-room technology includes modern conveniences like complimentary Wi-Fi, flat-screen televisions, and climate control systems that ensure comfort throughout the day and night. Housekeeping maintains exceptionally high standards, with rooms cleaned daily and amenities replenished regularly to ensure guests always return to a fresh, welcoming space. The dining experience at Liberty Lykia is nothing short of extraordinary, with multiple restaurants and bars designed to satisfy every palate and dining preference. The main restaurant operates as a buffet-style establishment, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an incredible variety of international and Turkish cuisine that changes daily to keep the experience fresh and exciting. The breakfast spread alone is worth mentioning, featuring everything from traditional Turkish breakfast items like fresh cheeses, olives, and honey to international favorites like pancakes, fresh fruits, and made-to-order omelets. The dinner buffets are particularly impressive, with themed nights that showcase different cuisines from around the world, allowing guests to embark on a culinary journey without leaving the resort. The à la carte restaurants offer more intimate dining experiences, with each specializing in different types of cuisine. The seafood restaurant takes full advantage of the coastal location, serving fresh catches prepared by skilled chefs who understand how to highlight the natural flavors of Mediterranean seafood. The Italian restaurant brings authentic flavors with handmade pastas, wood-fired pizzas, and classic dishes that transport diners straight to Italy. The Turkish specialty restaurant offers guests a chance to experience authentic local cuisine in an elegant setting, with traditional dishes prepared using family recipes and local ingredients. The bars throughout the property serve expertly crafted cocktails, local wines, and international beverages, with bartenders who take pride in their craft and are always happy to recommend something special based on individual preferences. The poolside bar service means guests never have to leave their comfortable loungers to enjoy a refreshing drink, while the lobby bar provides a sophisticated atmosphere for evening cocktails and conversation. The pool and beach facilities at Liberty Lykia are truly spectacular, designed to provide endless hours of enjoyment for guests of all ages. The resort features multiple swimming pools, each serving different purposes and preferences. The main infinity pool seems to blend seamlessly with the horizon, creating a stunning visual effect that makes swimming feel like floating in the Mediterranean itself. This pool is large enough to accommodate many guests without feeling crowded, and the surrounding deck area provides ample space for sunbathing and relaxation. The family pool area includes exciting water slides that provide hours of entertainment for children and adventurous adults alike, while the dedicated children's pool offers a safe, shallow area where younger guests can splash and play under careful supervision. The swim-up bar in one of the pools adds a tropical resort feel, allowing guests to enjoy beverages without ever leaving the water. The pool areas are surrounded by comfortable loungers, umbrellas, and cabanas that provide shade and privacy for those who prefer a more secluded experience. The beach access is one of the resort's greatest assets, providing direct access to the famous Ölüdeniz beach and its incredible blue lagoon. This natural wonder is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with crystal-clear turquoise waters that remain calm and inviting throughout most of the year. The beach service includes comfortable sunbeds, umbrellas, and attentive staff who ensure guests have everything they need for a perfect day by the sea. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty of options available nearby, including parasailing, kayaking, jet skiing, and boat tours that explore the stunning coastline and hidden coves that dot the region. The activities available at Liberty Lykia ensure that guests never experience a dull moment during their stay. The fitness center is equipped with modern exercise equipment and offers stunning views that make working out feel less like a chore and more like a pleasure. Regular fitness classes, including aerobics and yoga sessions, are conducted by qualified instructors who cater to all skill levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners. The resort's animation team organizes daily activities that range from water aerobics and beach volleyball to dance lessons and games that encourage guest participation and social interaction. Evening entertainment is a highlight of the Liberty Lykia experience, with live music performances, traditional Turkish dance shows, and themed parties that showcase local culture while providing international appeal. The resort often hosts special events during holidays and peak seasons, creating memorable experiences that guests talk about long after their vacation ends. Tennis enthusiasts can enjoy well-maintained courts, while those interested in exploring the surrounding area can participate in organized excursions to nearby attractions. The resort also offers cultural activities that provide insights into Turkish history and traditions, including cooking classes where guests can learn to prepare authentic local dishes and craft workshops that showcase traditional Turkish arts and crafts. The spa and wellness facilities at Liberty Lykia provide a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation that perfectly complements the resort's beach and activity offerings. The spa features a comprehensive menu of treatments that blend traditional Turkish wellness practices with modern therapeutic techniques. Professional therapists provide massages, facials, and body treatments using high-quality products and techniques designed to relax, refresh, and revitalize guests. The traditional Turkish bath experience is a must-try, offering an authentic cultural experience that has been part of Turkish wellness traditions for centuries. The sauna and steam room facilities provide additional opportunities for relaxation and detoxification, while the relaxation areas offer quiet spaces where guests can unwind between treatments. The spa's design incorporates natural elements and soothing colors that create a peaceful atmosphere from the moment guests enter. Wellness programs include yoga and meditation classes conducted in serene settings that take advantage of the resort's beautiful natural surroundings. The fitness and wellness facilities operate on extended hours, allowing guests to maintain their exercise routines and wellness practices throughout their stay. Many guests find that the combination of spa treatments, fitness activities, and the natural beauty of the location creates a holistic wellness experience that leaves them feeling completely refreshed and renewed. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.